was a perfect day until the zombie came through. But that's impossible. It looks like Resident Evil 2.
They could grab your shotty and RPG, killing zombies all night, even all day. It's the zombie right there. Sunny days, ain't no of them. Tell them every zombies eating big brain. Stars will fall, but it ain't over, bro. Kill that zombie, shoot them in the rain.
Shit ain't subliminal. I had to put a hole through you.
I tried to fight her ass.
I had to shoot that bitch with a gun.
Nigga, grab your shotty and RPG.
Yeah.
Killing zombies all night, even all day. Blast that RPG. Sunny days, ain't no more of them. Tell them baby zombies eating big brain. Stars will fall.
I know, headshot gon' be perfect.
Kill that zombie who's true and pray in the rain. Zombies in the rain. Zombies in the rain. Kill that zombie who's zombies in the rain. Zombies in the rain. Kill that zombie who.
Hey. Reload.